Steadily aging population in developed economies and endless corporate drive to improve efficiency opened the doors for platforms automating repetitive tasks like managing email communication or extracting information from invoices. $10 billion Romanian automation platform Uipath has risen to the forefront in this market, transforming the way businesses operate. In an era where every software dollar counts, Uipath has proven itself to be a worth investment. One of the biggest Japanese banks boasts to save equivalent of 400,000 hours of human work thanks to Uipath. Giants like Toyota and Walmart selected Uipath for similar magic. The bots handle everything, from ordering business cards to accounts receivables. But now Uipath's target market could be a subject of another technology war, as biggest names in technology industry are aggressively expanding in the space, with Microsoft being the prime example. And the price is big. RPA space is one of the fastest growing segments in enterprise software, and recent advancements in AI may take the category to another level. This is the 0 to 100 story of Uipath that started in communist Romania and might turn into one of the greatest technology race. Let's start with digesting the business problem solved by Uipath. An increase in life expectancy, coupled with a decline in birth rates, is expected to continue in the coming decades in a number of countries. Apart from various public policies on local levels, technology becomes a major tool to address this issue. On top of the demographic changes, salary inflation is becoming the elephant in the room. Businesses around the world are also drowning in repetitive and manual tasks. Employees spend hours copying data, processing invoices, handling paperwork, copying data from one system to another, collecting various data, invoicing, creating simple reports. There are so many use cases that could be easily automated in so many different industries. This market dynamics created tremendous demand for automation platforms. Three businesses were clearly at the forefront of this revolution. These include Blue Prism, clearly the earliest player to enter RPA space, as well as Automation Anywhere and Uipath. Uipath is considered the industry leader today, but the company started working on an existing tool in 2012. When Uipath founder Daniel Dimes came back from US to Romania, he initially focused on general IT outsourcing tasks, and in 2005 he co-founded Descover, a company that provided automation solutions for desktop processes. This venture would eventually become a Uipath. In 2015, the company raised Series A round and in 4 years attracted the biggest VC investors like Accel, Sequoia, and Kleiner Perkins. Now let's see how Uipath works. Uipath provides a comprehensive digital platform that works like a digital assistant for your computer. It's like a robot that can do repetitive tasks on your computer, like filling out forms, copying and pasting data, or even opening applications. When using Uipath, platform users start with recording their actions on the computer. It's like showing the robot how to perform the task step by step. Then comes automation. Once Uipath knows the task, it can do it over and over again without making any mistake. Uipath will then perform this task much quicker than a human and with minimal errors. Uipath can work all day and night without any breaks. Uipath is a very efficient tool from the perspective of saving employee costs. For every $1 invested in a Uipath solution, customers can return up to $15 in savings in first year. Enterprises began to realize the potential of RPA to automate repetitive tasks, just like a robot on an assembly line. RPA bots could perform tasks faster, with zero errors, and around the clock addressing all human imperfections. Uipath recognized the potential of robotic process automation to liberate businesses from mundane chores. Yet the challenge remained: how to make automation accessible to everyone, even those without extensive coding skills. For decades, there's been a movement towards a withdrawal from complicated coding in favor of easy-to-use visual tools. With time, no-code and low-code platforms have been more sophisticated, allowing non-developers to build more powerful websites and applications without hiring software specialists. Low-code and no-code tools offer reduced IT overhead thanks to limiting the need for hiring costly developers. Low-code and no-code tools can also be created at much faster pace than traditional manual coding techniques without the need to spend weeks or even months for software conceptualizing, architecture, coding, debugging, and more. Everything can be accomplished in a matter of hours or days. Uipath understood the need for accessibility, hence created easy-to-use, drag-and-drop, no-code solution and created Uipath Studio, which today is the heart of their platform. It empowers developers and business analysts to design, build, and automate processes using a visual, user-friendly interface. Uipath business promise is to give every single employee an assistant that can handle all their mundane tasks. Low-code and no-code solutions can be applied to a number of elements on top of RPA systems, and they have been a major theme on Microsoft's agenda for some time. Over the past 6 years, Microsoft has built or acquired a number of ready-to-use low-code and no-code products, including data storage solutions, RPA tools, and popular reporting tools such as Power BI, effectively challenging key industry players like Uipath, Automation Anywhere, and Blue Prism. Microsoft has built in an advantage in scaling new solutions thanks to presence across different categories and access to users, which allows to rapidly grow as we saw it across different categories. In 2021, Microsoft launched PowerFX, an open-source, low-code programming language for expressing logic across the Power Platform, Microsoft's own RPA solution. Its low-code nature allows any professional from any business to create bespoke digital solutions and quickly test them. There's no more cooperation with internal or third-party software development teams. Business users can quickly use their market know-how to create best solutions. PowerFX specifically is expressing human-friendly text that can work in an Excel-like formula bar. Let's say a regular business user that works in an insurance company spends 20% of time on copying and pasting data from one system to another and creating simple reports. Now, thanks to solutions like PowerFX, he or she can automate this process based on unique understanding of this problem with easy-to-use Excel lookalike solutions while freeing up time. Thanks to access to OpenAI products, Microsoft could further innovate its low-code solutions through AI. Microsoft is working now on making it open source, which will additionally drive adoption as business users will be able to utilize already created ready-to-use solutions. Obviously, low-code and no-code have some limitations, and complex digital projects require using traditional coding techniques, but solutions like PowerFX could quickly accelerate the pace of innovation across the industries. Apart from Microsoft, other global public cloud platforms like Google and Amazon, as well as major software players like ServiceNow, are also rapidly pushing into low-code market as they launch strategies around visualization tools, automation capabilities, and generative AI strategies. Uipath offers a comprehensive suite of automation software solutions that could be categorized into 3 different elements of automation lifecycle, such as discovery, automation, and operation. Uipath Discovery starts with process mining, which allows organizations to gain insight into their existing processes by analyzing log data and identifying bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and areas for improvement. This tool helps organizations understand their processes before automating them. Logs are a very broad category and include things like events and activities that happen within an application. These include information about user interactions, errors, warnings, and system events or web events, providing data on performance of website or network. Major element of process mining is task mining. It captures user interaction with various applications and generates insights into how employees perform tasks. This data helps in identifying repetitive tasks that can be automated to improve productivity. So Discovery provides Uipath clients with insights into biggest automation opportunities. After Discovery comes automation. In this stage, users design, build, and maintain automation workflows. Uipath provides a visual interface for creating automation processes using a drag-and-drop approach. Uipath offers low-code, no-code building blocks that do not require writing lines of code. This makes Uipath accessible to all employees across organizations without any IT knowledge. Once a company establishes an automation workflow, Uipath solution performs the automation task. Uipath offers Orchestrator, which is a centralized platform for managing, deploying, and monitoring automation robots. It enables users to schedule, trigger, and monitor automation processes, as well as manage robot access and security. The last major part of Uipath offering is operations. In this case, Uipath delivers analytics and reporting tool that provides detailed insights into the performance and efficiency of automation processes. It helps organizations make data-driven decisions to optimize, scale their automation initiatives. Another solution is AI Fabric, enabling organizations' integration and deployment of machine learning models into automation workflows. This adds intelligence and decision-making capabilities to automate processes and enhance their ability to operate effectively. The last major tool is TestSuite, used for testing automation workflows to ensure they perform as expected. To sum it up, Uipath Discovery Automation and Operation options cover the entire spectrum of automation journey. Discovery helps organizations identify areas for automation. Automation provides the tools to create and manage automation workflows, and operations ensure the ongoing operation, monitoring, and optimization of those automated processes. In the past years, Uipath was very effective in extending core capabilities and creating whole automation ecosystem, which make their business model stand out among competitors. They created Automation Hub, a collaboration platform for managing automation ideas and initiatives across an organization. It helps in prioritizing and tracking automation projects, ensuring that automation efforts align with business goals. Another interesting product addition is Uipath Marketplace, a platform where users can access a wide range of pre-built automation components such as reusable automation templates, custom activities, and connectors. It allows organizations to accelerate their automation projects by leveraging similar use cases. The next great example is Uipath Connect, a platform enabling RPA developers worldwide to connect online with one another, to get inspired, to learn from another developer, or to collaborate in projects. In the past 5 years, Uipath has been increasingly experimenting with AI. Uipath launched AI Fabric, a dedicated tool within the Uipath platform that allows users to build, deploy, and manage AI models. It facilitates the integration of custom AI models into automation workflows, enabling robots to perform more complex and cognitive tasks. Another interesting addition is Uipath Customer Vision technology, enabling robots to see and interact with the user interface of applications just like humans. It can recognize and understand elements on a screen, such as buttons, text fields, and images, making it easier to automate processes involving legacy or non-API-based applications. Uipath also added document understanding feature that uses AI to extract structured data from unstructured documents, such as invoices, receipts, and contracts. This tool can classify documents, extract key data fields, and validate information, making it valuable for tasks like invoice processing. Computer vision is a key element of what Uipath is currently promoting, so a concept of intelligent process automation, a next generation for robotic process automation. Intelligent process automation refers to application of artificial intelligence and related new technologies into RPA. Intelligent process automation assumes that AI will be responsible for the thinking component for automating the task of the digital workforce. AI will trigger RPA, which will handle automation workflows. The automation industry could fully eliminate manual tasks with the use of AI, which will analyze every element of network, application, and employee task of organization and search for automation opportunities. Microsoft is uniquely positioned to experiment with intelligent process automation thanks to investment in OpenAI. Uipath's robotic process automation platform can be applied to a wide range of industries and business processes. There are numerous use cases across various sectors. In finance roles, Uipath offers automation of data extraction from invoices, reconciliation of accounts, data entry and payment processing, or review and approval of expense reports. Another major use case for Uipath is human resources. For HR roles, Uipath streamlines the onboarding process by automating document collection, form submission, and user account setup, as well as automates calculations, tax deductions, and payment distribution in payroll processing. Industry-wise, healthcare is one of the biggest opportunities for RPA solutions. In this use case, Uipath allows to automate the scheduling process for patients, as well as streamline the generation of medical bills, as well as extract patient data from scanned documents. Uipath applications seems limitless. Manufacturing, retail, legal industry, insurance, these are only a few of the other market opportunities for Uipath. In today's macro environment, businesses constantly reevaluate their IT budgets and analyze existing and new solutions from the perspective of cost benefits. Uipath has numerous case studies that demonstrate how its robotic process automation platform can save money and improve efficiency for organizations. Deployment of Uipath platform for leading Japanese bank Sumitomo Mitsui has enabled to save more than 400,000 hours in labor-intensive tasks. After 4 years of using Uipath products, bank was able to automate more than 250 critical business operations. With Uipath Orchestrator, an automated workflow management tool, the bank has created over 500 workflows, enabling its employees to work more efficiently and productively. There are countless examples of similar magic for other major clients. Uber estimates $22 million in savings over 3 years, while Spotify saved more than 45,000 hours. Now, as we understand Uipath proposition, let's benchmark it against Microsoft and other technology market leaders. Microsoft was a late entrant into RPA market. According to HFS research, Microsoft was late to RPA market by their own admission. This was entirely intentional, as they waited to see how the hype played out. They first announced its entry into RPA market in 2019 with Power Automate, and then Microsoft acquired RPA player Softomotive in 2020. After integrating Softomotive into Power Platform, Microsoft announced the general availability of its Power Automate, so Microsoft RPA product in 2022. Despite being late to the market, Microsoft is considered among industry leaders today. This is for a couple of reasons. Power Automate is considered the easiest to use compared to Uipath and Blueprism due to 100% no-code approach. Uipath and Blueprism still require some coding skills. Power Automate offers a wide range of pre-built connectors enabling easy integration with Office 365, Dynamics 365 and SharePoint. Blueprism and Uipath also offer similar integration capabilities, but may require more effort to set it up. In order to catch up to other RPA players, Microsoft offers its Power Automate software at a much more compelling price than other RPA players. Microsoft is not the only tech giant to enter RPA space. Salesforce and ServiceNow also delivered automation into their platforms. Other tech giants also have automation on their mind. In 2021, IBM made major move in the industry with acquisition of Turbonomic. But after all, Microsoft and other market stalwarts have lots of grounds to make, as Uipath is a clear leader, benefiting from its reputation of being the most comprehensive business-level automation platform, ready to target complex projects, while Microsoft is best with small and medium-sized businesses with different level of complexity. Another major differentiator is its RPA ecosystem. Uipath offers a mature and comprehensive suite of RPA products and solutions, including Uipath Studio for development, Uipath Orchestrator for management, and other specialized tools like AI Fabric and task mining. This end-to-end ecosystem provides one-stop shop for automation needs. Alongside this, Uipath has more than 5,000 partners and resellers globally. This global partners network is key, as RPA is a relatively new concept and partners provide scalable way to drive product awareness and implement RPA products. Worldwide sales of Uipath is led by former sales leader from Microsoft, which adds another level to the whole story. Uipath platform is designed to scale easily, making it suitable for organizations of all sizes. Whether you need to automate a few tasks or deploy hundreds of bots across various departments, Uipath can accommodate your needs. Now the question remains, what could Microsoft do to catch up to Uipath? Power Platform is doing very well. Microsoft RPA tool surpassed $2 billion in revenue over the past 12 months with impressive 72% growth. Microsoft recently added GPT-powered Copilot tool assisting developers across RPA, improving overall productivity. The company constantly updates integrations with other internal and third-party products like Power BI. Microsoft has also tremendous capital for M&A and can fund most innovative startups in broad low-code, no-code space or acquire promising players to potentially take over Uipath. There are also other big technology players working on their solutions, so RPA is definitely a space to follow, especially considering its long-term impact on corporate and public sector. Uipath's slogan of a robot for every person draws comparisons to Microsoft, a computer on every desk. This sounds like a fantasy, but perhaps the way we work will be disrupted through AI-powered bots that will automate all non-creative aspects of our work.